बात हुई आशुतोष उसके साथ?
नो सर, उसका कॉल ही नहीं आया, बिजी जा रहा है उसका।
ओके।
Sir, what is the difference between alcohol by volume and alcohol by bottle?
अल्कोहल बाय बॉटल?
Yes, sir.
ऐसा तो कुछ होता नहीं भाई।
Alcohol नहीं sir. Difference between by volume and by bottle.
बेटा बाय वॉल्यूम जो कैलकुलेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल है ना, बाय स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ अल्कोहल, इट इज बाय वॉल्यूम ओनली, इट इज नॉट बाय बॉटल।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, वो पता नहीं कौन सी टर्म यूज कर रहे हो आप, बाय बॉटल। अल्कोहल इज सोल्ड बाय बॉटल एंड बाय पैग्स, बट नथिंग अबाउट अल्कोहल स्ट्रेंथ बाय बॉटल तो नहीं होती कुछ। ठीक है।
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we were in at vodka,
Yes, sir.
right? So Zubrovka is the one of the Poland's famous vodka, and it is flavored with the bison grass. Grass, घास होती है ना, GRASS. So there's a special characteristic bison grass. और तो ग्रास का एक ब्लेड, मतलब एक उसकी डंडी सी पतली सी उस बॉटल में मिलेगी आपको, जुब्रोका की बॉटल में। ठीक है, तो उसके कारण उसको येलोइश कलर आता है उस वोडका में, एंड एरोमेटिक बुके रहता है उसका। ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
दैट ग्रास इज द टिपिकल थिंग ऑफ इट। उसके अंदर एक ग्रास दिखेगा आपको, जिसका एक स्पेशल फ्लेवर जो भी है, टेस्ट उसके वोडका में आए। So next flavored vodka is Starka, STARK। ठीक है, स्टारका मीन्स ओल्ड इन रशिया, तो उसकी 87% प्रूफ होती है, एंड डिस्टिल फ्रॉम राई, और वो 10 साल तक मैच्योर करते हैं वो रशिया। ठीक है, देन अनदर फ्लेवर्ड वोडका इज क्रुपनिक, KRUPNIK, दैट इज अ पोलैंड्स वोडका, एंड इट इज फ्लेवर्ड विद हनी एंड बेक्ड एप्पल, तो उसका फ्लेवर आपको आएगा, और हर्ब्स का फ्लेवर आएगा उसमें। Then there is Visnioka, WISNIOWKA. That is again vodka which is flavored with berries. Sorry, cherries. CHERRIES. And it is drier than the cherry brandy or cherry liqueur. Okay. Then there is another famous one which is Vibroca. WIBORO. Vibrova. BOROWA. ठीक है, so that is, these are made from potatoes, and it is distilled thrice. Then the another famous brand is Smirnoff, when flavored vodka. This is double filtered. Then there is Okachnia, which is flavored with 10 spices and herbs, जिसमें ginger, clove, juniper, anise, orange peel सारे आते हैं। Then there is a French vodka, which is Ciroc, CIROC. That is a new white. So it is distilled 5 times and made from French grapes. ठीक है, it's a very smooth vodka. So these are different flavored vodkas. Now talking about brands, famous brands, Smirnoff आपको पता ही है, ठीक है.
Yes.
Then there is Stolichnaya, Stolichazh, and then there is Vladivar. Then there is Absolute. Then there is Sky Vodka. ठीक है, SKYY. Then Finlandia, that is another famous one. Then Gorbachev. Then Nikolai, Golchoy. These are all famous brands. Belvedere, again very famous vodka. ठीक है. So these are all famous vodkas which are available in the market. Indian brands अगर आप देखो तो there is Romanov, Red Tsar, High Society, Red Ribbon, Hayward's. So these are all Indian brands of vodka. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the next is the brandy, and I think that is the last spirit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is brandy made up of?
Grapes.
Grapes. So how do you get this word brandy?
Wine, burnt wine.
Burnt wine. Okay. So brand wine is the word from where it gets burned wine. That is. So you make a wine and then you distill it, you get a brandy. Okay. So it is generally made from grape juices. Now the famous, when we talk about brandies, the term which comes to your mind is cognac. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So cognac is a famous
Brandy.
brandy in the world. Okay. Now how in France, if you like, when you call it a champagne, it has to be from the Champagne region of France, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, brandy, when it call it as a cognac, so it has to come from the cognac region of France only. It has to be bottled there only. Then only you can call it as a cognac. If it is bottled somewhere else or it is produced somewhere else in the world, it can be called as brandy, but not cognac. Okay.
Yes.
And similarly, like cognac, there is another region in France which is called as Armagnac. Armagnac. Okay. So both the regions, the brandies which are produced from these particular regions are called as cognac and brandy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there are three types of grapes which are used in producing a cognac, or is the Saint-Emilion, Folle Blanche, and Colombard. These are the three grapes which are used for producing this cognac. And the different regions in cognac are Grand Champagne, Petit Champagne, Baudry's, Finet-Bois, Bonne-Bois. These are all regions which are which produce high quality brandies. Now, the age of the brandy which is written on the bottle is generally how long it is matured in the cask, not in the bottle. अगर उसके ऊपर लिखा है 50 साल 50 years old, तो इसका मतलब वो 50 साल कास्क में रही है. उसके बाद बॉटल में शायद 10 साल रहे, 15 साल रहे. That is immaterial because no spirit is matured in the bottle. It is matured only in the casks. Please understand that fact. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, आपकी ब्रांडी, व्हेन यू सी अ ब्रांडी बॉटल, उसके ऊपर क्वालिटी मार्किंग रहती है AOC स्पिरिट, which is appellation, the original contract. So that is a body in France, that particular region body, which has rules and regulations. So आप उस rules and regulations को follow करके अगर आप brandy बना cognac बना रहे हो, then you can write AOC on that. Then there are sometimes stars on that. So stars is the age of the brandy. So how many years it has been matured. So अगर आप Hennessy की brandies देखें तो 3 stars मतलब 15 साल उसने maturation की हुई है. And if it is very BO written on that, that means it is 15 years old. Then if it is SO written, so it is 25 years. Okay. SO means special old. Then there is
Okay.
XO. XO means extra old, which is 45 years old. And if it is extra written on that, it means 70 years old. So different types of cognacs and armagnacs will have different types of alphabets written on the bottle. The number of years it has been matured and the rate accordingly increases. Okay.
Yes.
Now there is another system of writing in which if it is written V, that means it is old. That means it is 5 years matured. If it is VS, it is very superior. That is 10 to 12 years. If it is VSO, that is very superior old. So it is 15 to 20. Or VOP or VSC, VSP. These three all means 15 to 20. If it is VSOP, very special old pale, then it is 25 to 30 years. And if it is XO, it means above 45 years. So that is how they make these gradings on the bottles. So people know how many years old it is. Okay, so now coming to the brand names of cognacs. Martel, JNF Martel, that is a famous brand. Then Hennessy is very common, another famous brand of cognac. Then Otard, OTARD, Courvoisier, Biscuit, BISQUIT. Then you have Remy Martin, again a famous brand. Camus, Monet. These are all famous brands of cognac and are available throughout the world. So next is Armagnac. So similarly, rules and regulations are followed in an Armagnac, and the bottle which the brandy which is produced in the Armagnac region is called as Armagnac. Okay.
Yes.
Now इसमें जो grapes use होते हैं, that is Folle Blanche, Colombard, Jurançon and Meslier. So these are the grape varieties which are used in the production of Armagnac. Now इसमें there are 3 districts in Armagnac which are famous. Bas Armagnac, BAS, and then Haut Armagnac, HAUT, and Tenares. So these are the 3 areas which are famous for producing Armagnac. And our cognac is made by pot still method. Armagnac is made by continuous still methods. And similarly, they also use this VSOP, VS, all these their categories they also use for showing the maturation of the bottles. Whiskies. ना वीओ अगर आर्मेनिक के ऊपर लिखा है इसका मतलब 5 साल होगा, बट कोनियाक के ऊपर अगर वीओ लिखा है इसका मतलब वो 15 साल होगा. सो मतलब उनकी कैटेगराइजेशन अलग अलग होती है for the number of years. Okay, now talking about brand names, there is Delord, Lares Single, LARRES SINGLE, then Talord, TALORD, Mattiac, MATTIAC, then Montque, Lubre. आर्मेनियाक के ब्रांड नेम्स काफी टफ है as compared to the cognac ones if you see the names and all. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Now other famous brandies apart from cognac and armagnac, if you see Californian brandies, उसमें मतलब यूएस में जो कंट्रीज में जो ब्रांडीज बनती हैं, there is famous is Aristocrat, Christian Brothers, Italian Swiss Colony, Royal Host, ठीक है, AR Moro. So these are our famous brandies from Spain. We have Carlos One and Fundador. This is made by a company called as Pedro Domecq. And then there is Capa Negra. There is Cardinal Mendoza. So these are Spanish brandies. Then Mexico में है एक Presidente brandy. President के बाद ही आता है Presidente brandy. So these are all famous brandies from around the world. Okay, clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So that covers all the types of spirits. Now there are other spirits also which are less common, but yes, they are also there in the world, and they have their own position in the market. So the first one is absinthe, ABSINTHE. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Please write this. Now it is because of its high, it is famous because of very high alcoholic content. कुछ countries में banned है, ठीक है?
Yes.
And it is slightly greenish in color because there are aromatic plants, Mayoris vulgaris, fennel, aniseed, ये सारा कुछ यूज करते हैं उसको फ्लेवर करने के लिए. And made from high proof spirit, usually brandy से बनती है. So Switzerland, France, US में सब countries में ये banned because of it is high alcoholic content. ना उसमें एक wormwood आता है, एक कीड़ा आता है उसमें, ठीक है? उस bottles में आपको एक कीड़ा दिखेगा, which for it is famous. And it is yellow green in color. इसके बारे में आप नेट पे थोड़ा ज्यादा पढ़ो तो you will get details of it. What is it? इसका एक स्पेशल सर्विस के लिए, एब्सेंट सर्विस के लिए ग्लास आता है, टेस्टिंग के लिए स्पून आता है. So there are so many things which is there in the absinthe. इसकी हिस्ट्री भी थोड़ा पढ़ो, which will give you a idea what it is all about. Okay.
Yes, sir.
इसको सर्विस करने का एक अलग ही स्टाइल है, ठीक है? वो भी पढ़ो उसमें.
सर एब्सिन में भी वॉर्म डलता है और मेजकल में भी वॉर्म डलता है.
हाँ, मेस्काल में भी डालो.
ओके सर.
Then there is aquavit, AQUAVIT. It means water of life. It is made in Scandinavian countries from potatoes. ठीक है? Scandinavian countries क्या होती है?
यस सर.
Scandinavian countries कौन सी होती है? तो और लोगों की ज्योग्राफी बहुत ही खराब है यार. ठीक है? फिनलैंड, नॉर्वे, आइसलैंड, these are the countries which are called as Scandinavian. इंग्लैंड के ऊपर हैं ये चार कंट्रीज हैं, चौथी का नाम नहीं आ रहा. फिनलैंड, आइसलैंड, नॉर्वे और एक और कंट्री है. ये चारों मिलके स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज बनती हैं. ठीक है?
यस सर.
So now this aquavit is made from potatoes and flavored with caraway seeds, orange, lemon peel, cardamom, herbs. It is not aged, served ice cold और एक ही shot में लेते हैं. Generally served with appetizers, canapes and sandwiches के साथ इसको लेते हैं. और या फिर एज अ कस्टमरी ड्रिंक टू टोस्टिंग के लिए इसको हम स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज में लोग यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट इज कैल्वाडोस. Now generally Calvados is also called as apple brandy. Okay. Now but they use apples or pears, both fruits are used. And in Normandy is the district. ठीक है. And it is इसके भी अपने कंट्रोल के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन है. VDQS क्वालिटी सिस्टम फॉलो करते हैं. जैसे AOC फ्रेंच वाइन्स के लिए यूज करते हैं, इन लोग VDQS सिस्टम यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. ना जैसे कैल्वाडोस है एप्पल ब्रांडी, वैसे ही एप्पल जैक करके यूएस की ब्रांडी है. ठीक है. तो similar to the Calvados. Then there is Grappa, GRAPPA. That is an Italian brandy which is made from the residue of grape skins, stalks and pulp leftover. तो जो वाइन मेकिंग के बाद जो बच जाते हैं ना leftovers, ठीक है, skins और थोड़ा बहुत पल्प और स्टॉक्स, अच्छी अच्छी वाइन ऊपर से निकाल लेते हैं वो वाइन को. तो जो बच जाता है उसको फिर वो बॉयल करके उसमें से वो ब्रांडी निकालते हैं. तो इट इज दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ग्रैप्पा. And similarly, there is a brandy which is made in France, which is called as Marc, MARC. मतलब ऐसी वो भी ग्रेप स्किन, स्टॉक्स और पल्प, जो बचा हुआ पल्प रहता है वाइन मेकिंग के बाद उससे बनाते हैं. So grappa it is called in Italy and Marc it is called in France. Then there is another spirit called as Scarpi, KARPI. Okay, that is a fruit brandy made from cranberry in Finland. Then another famous spirit is called as Kirsch, KIRSCH. Okay. Now this is made in Germany in an area called as Black Forest. And it is made in Austria, Switzerland, and also is region of France. Now this is made from cherries, CHERRIES. Okay. और जनरली कर्श इज यूज्ड इन कुकिंग, तो काफी रेसिपीज में इसका यूज होता है वहां पे. ओके. Then they have Fraise, FRAISE. That is a strawberry brandy from France. Then there is Framboise, FRAMBOISE. That is raspberry brandy from France. So there is Fraise, which is strawberry brandy, Framboise, which is raspberry brandy, Kirsch, which is cherry brandy. So these are all different brandies flavored with different kind of fruits. That is how you have to remember. ठीक है. एक दो उसमें आते हैं, वन वर्ड्स में या वन सेंटेंस के क्वेश्चंस में आएंगे. Then there is Ouzo, OUZO. That is from Greek. ठीक है. वो ग्रेप स्पिरिट से बनती है and flavored with any seeds and herbs. और जब उसमें पानी ऐड करोगे तो वो मिल्की हो जाती है.
Brandy?
It is a colorless spirit. Made from brandy है क्योंकि made from grape spirit है वो. and flavored with aniseeds and herbs. Then there is mezcal, which is a colorless Mexican spirit, and again from cactus. मेस्काल में कीड़ा कहाँ है? मेस्काल में तो कीड़ा नहीं है. It is a type of a tequila.
Yes, sir.
मतलब all tequilas are mezcals, but not all mezcals are tequilas. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
They are also made from cactus. Then feni, which is made from cashew nut, palm or coconut, ये इंडिया में बनती है. ठीक है? That's another. Then sake is a Japanese rice wine, not distilled but fermented. Then there is schnapps, SCHNAPPS. That is spirit which is distilled from potatoes in Germany and Holland, and it is flavored with caraway seeds. Okay, so that's schnapps. Tequila आपको पता ही है. ठीक है. Tequila is made from agave cactus, right?
Yes, sir.
So there are two
Okay,
varieties
fine.
of tequilas, white and gold. And popular brands of tequila are Jose Cuervo, JOSE. Second word is Cuervo, CUERVO. That is white tequila. Then Montezuma is gold tequila. Then there is Sauza Gold, there is Sauza Silver, Camino Gold, Camino Silver. These are all different brands of tequila which are available. Okay.
Yes.
So I think that finishes our first chapter, which is spirits. Right. Yeah, that finishes our first chapter. So आज uh, any doubts? We have another 20-25 minutes. We can spend on that. बोलो.
सर किर्च भी एक लिक्योर है, चेरी लिक्योर.
Kirsch, na?
हाँ, कर्श.
Yeah, so that is a spirit made from. It is. There is a Kirsch which is a cherry liqueur also. See, there is what is a liqueur and what is a liqueurs are also base spirits plus herbs and botanicals, right? And sweetened
Yes,
with.
sir.
Now this Kirsch is also a brandy, which is the base spirit one used with you put cherries, but maybe this is drier and liqueurs are basically sweeter. Okay, so when
Yes,
it is
sir.
a brandy, it is a dry one, and when it is liqueur, it is sweeter. That is a difference.
Okay, sir.
Okay, liqueurs are generally drunk post meals, right? Even brandy are drunk
Yes.
post meals. Purpose तो दोनों का same ही है ना. ब्रांडी भी खाना खाने के बाद ही पीते हैं ना.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, liqueurs are also drunk that way. So Kirsch is the same thing. How they put it across is the different. और कुछ?
सर VS 10 years होता है ना?
मैं वही बता रहा था आपको कि फॉर आर्मेनियाक इट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, फॉर कोनियाक इट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, ठीक है,
Okay.
सो डोंट कंफ्यूज। तो जब आप लिखोगे तो आप उसमें लिख सकते हो when they ask for cognac then you mention कि यहाँ भी cognac में VS हो, VS is 10 years, V is 5 years, VS is 10 years, I think. That's what I told, I think, है ना?
Yes, sir.
V is 5 years, VS is 10 to 12 years. And then VSO, then VSOP, which is 25 to 30 years. And X2 is 40 years. ठीक है? Ashutosh, do you have anything to ask? Because our class is till 12:15, so we have to be logged in till
No,
that
sir.
time. So, or else we can talk about something else, any topic you want to discuss, we can discuss. We have 15-20 minutes more.
Sir, Madeira is alcohol, liqueur or liquor?
No, Madeira is a fortified wine. Okay, from Spain. Madeira, Marsala.
So what is Fino?
Madeira is from Portugal, sorry, not Spain. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, Fino क्या है sir? Fino.
Fino is a type of sherry. Okay, there are different
Okay.
types of sherries. तो उसमें Finos, Oloroso, ये अलग अलग कैटेगरीज की शेरीज आती हैं.
Okay, sir.
That is also a fortified wine.
Okay, sir.
Now, if you talk about Madeira, मेरे ख्याल से इसकी भी varieties होती हैं. There is a Madeira Islands in Portugal जहाँ पे ये बनती है, and that's why it is called as Madeira, and it is can be used as a aperitif or a sweet wine. Generally, desserts के साथ match होती है, and this give it with desserts के साथ सर्व करते हैं इसको. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, there are 4 types of Madeira. You know, there are types. There is one is Social, other is Verdelho, then Buell and Mamze. Mamze. Social is SERCAL, then Verdelho is VERDELHO, and Buell BUAL, and Malmsey MALMSEY. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Now, Social is the driest. You know what is dry and sweet, na? Dry wine means जिसमें sweetness बिल्कुल नहीं होती. The yeast has consumed all the sweetness, जो sugar content of the grape juice होता है वो सारा yeast उसमें खा जाता है और उसको alcohol में convert कर देता है. So there is no sugar left in that wine, so it is a dry wine. So if the yeast doesn't eat everything and it is left behind some sugar content, so then it becomes sweet wine. ठीक है? So that is, and it is termed, that sweetness is termed as residual sugar. RS करके बोलते हैं उसको, residual sugar होती है वाइन में. तो उसके बेसिस पे हम टर्म करते हैं कि ये ड्राई वाइन है क्या स्वीट वाइन है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द टेस्ट ऑफ. ओके. सो सोशल जो मदीरा है विच इज इट इज अ वेरी ड्राई मदीरा. एंड वर्देलियो जो है वो मीडियम ड्राई होती है. ठीक है. देन यू हैव बोएल विच इज मीडियम रिच स्वीट, तो उसमें स्लाइटली स्वीटनेस आने लग जाती है. एंड मानसे है वेरी रिच एंड वेरी स्वीट. ठीक है. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So that is how these are divided. Now क्वालिटी लेवल्स अलग अलग हैं उसमें. जो नॉन विंटेज मदीरा होगी उसमें रेन मतलब उन पे लेवल पे लिखा रहता है कि वो एक्स्ट्रा रिजर्व है, स्पेशल रिजर्व है, फाइनेस्ट है, रेन वाटर है. देन इफ इट इज अ विंटेज मदीरा देन उसके लेबल पे लिखा रहेगा कोलिटा, सोलेरा. सो दैट इज अ quality of, that will depict the quality of the wine. So if it is a Coletta, it is 5 years plus matured, I mean aging. Then if it's Frasuquera, it is 20 years. And if it is Solera, then it is a multiple vintage. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
तो सोलरा सिस्टम यूज करते हैं उसको. तो उसमें यू विल गेट डिफरेंट फ्लेवर्स. कैरमल है, वेलनट, पीच, हेजलनट, ऑरेंज, पीले सारे टेस्ट आते हैं मदीरा में, डिपेंडिंग अलग अलग टाइप्स में अलग अलग फ्लेवर रहता है. ओके.
Yes, sir.
आई थिंक अब ये टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा इसमें. सो विल लॉग आउट एंड लॉग इन अगेन. जो 15 मिनट बचे हैं. ठीक है. तो जस्ट लॉग इन अगेन.